Here we are gathered to break current world record of 900 meters for longest no hands wheelie, being attended by Sepoy Sumit Tomar, and our target will be 1500 meters. However, to break the world record, we need to cross the 960 meters mark. So here we are using bike TVS Apache, the details of which has already been uploaded in Guinness website. You can see the vehicle number here. For additional video footage, we are using GoPro, which has been mounted on the helmet of rider Sepoy Sumit Tomar. So in front of the witnesses, timekeepers will be starting the event. This is attempt number 4.